Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to set alarm on iPhone. So let's start. I'm going to show you two ways of setting up alarm. Let's start with the first one. So on your iPhone, you need to navigate to the screen where you can find clock and click on it. And then down here on the menu, you need to choose alarms and then press the plus button in the right top corner of this screen. Once you do this, over here we can change the time of the alarm. So let's say 10:20. Then below here we have additional settings like do we want this alarm to repeat every Monday, for example, or every Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, or whenever we want. We can just tap on it and that's when the alarm will be repeating. So as you can see, it says repeat Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Then we can change the label if we want. So I'm just gonna write test for it. We can change the sound of the alarm. So at the moment for me it's arpeggio. I can change it to canopy, for example, or radial, or anything else I want. We can also pick a song for our alarm if we have any songs in our library. Once we set the sound, we can choose whether we want the snooze option or not, and then change the duration of the snooze itself. Once we have everything set up here, we just click in the right top corner on the check mark. And right now, as you can see, our alarm called test is set up for 10:20 on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So that's the first way of setting up alarm. If we don't want to play with those additional options, there is another way, a very easy way to set up our alarm. Make sure that you have your Siri enabled and then say, "Hey Siri, set up alarm for tomorrow 10:30 a.m.
Done.
And as you can see, as soon as I did it, Siri set up alarm for me for 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments which of these methods is your favorite, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.